Assalamu alaikum students. Today we'll see the fourth part of Parmenides' philosophy, and in this part we'll see his arguments about the characteristics he described about being, that being has no beginning and being is indivisible. He said that being has no beginning and no ending, and he made the argumentation that if the being has beginning, it must come out of being, either being or not being, because we have only antithesis between being and not being. So we have just these two things. So if the being arises out of something, that must be either being or not being. So if the being comes out of being, that means being is the same, that is the same thing, being has no beginning. And if we say that being comes out of not being, so that is not logically possible, that is absurd, because something that is existing, that cannot come out of something that is not existing, or simply being cannot come out of nothingness. And this idea is known as the ex nihilo nihil fit, that nothing can come out of nothingness. So ऐसा मुमकिन नहीं है कि कोई चीज़ अदम से वजूद में आ जाए, यानी कि एक चीज़ मौजूद ही नहीं है, नथिंगनेस है, एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती, और उसमें से कोई चीज़ पॉजिटिवली आ जाए या एग्जिस्ट करे. So for being to arise out of not being is impossible then. The next argument is the being is indivisible. He said that for anything to be divided, it must be divided by something other than its own self. That means if we want to divide something, we must be having antithesis of that thing or some other thing. And he says, since we have two things, one is being and the other one is not being, if we divide being upon being, that is the same thing. That means being is indivisible, being is not divisible. And if we divide being on not being, that is not possible, because not being is not existing. Being is being is not divided by not being or something that is not existing. So being is indivisible. That's all about Parmenides' philosophy, and I'm ending this video here. And in the next class, we'll see the importance of Parmenides' philosophy. Thank you so much.